Welcome guys to Cities Guide, and today to Madrid, the vibrant heart of Spain, a city of royal palaces, world-class art, flamenco nights, and unforgettable food. Spain. In this video, we're exploring the top 5 tours and activities you must experience when visiting Madrid. From iconic museums to sunset viewpoints and tapas-filled streets, Madrid has something for every traveler. Hit like, subscribe, and let's dive into Madrid's greatest adventures. Step inside the Royal Palace of Madrid, the largest royal residence in Western Europe and one of the city's most impressive landmarks. With a guided tour, explore its luxurious halls, grand staircases, and rooms decorated with silk walls, gold details, and priceless paintings. Discover the throne room, the royal armory, and the beautiful palace gardens. Your guide brings Spain's royal history to life with stories about ceremonies, kings, and traditions. It's an immersive journey into Spanish heritage and one of the most unforgettable cultural experiences in Madrid. Next, discover one of the world's greatest art collections at the Prado Museum, home to masterpieces by Velázquez, Goya, Greco, and many more legends of European art. A guided tour helps you understand the stories, symbolism, and emotions behind each painting, turning every gallery into a journey through history. Admire iconic works like Los Meninas and Goya's powerful black paintings as your guide explains their secrets. Whether you're an art lover or a first-time visitor, the Prado offers an inspiring and unforgettable cultural experience in the heart of Madrid. After that, feel the passion of Spain with an unforgettable flamenco show in one of Madrid's authentic tablaos. As the lights dim, dancers, singers, and guitarists create powerful rhythms filled with emotion, storytelling, and raw intensity. Enjoy a delicious traditional Spanish dinner with favorites like paella, croquetas, jamón ibérico, and local wines while the performance unfolds just meters away. The energy, music, and dramatic footwork make this experience one of Madrid's most iconic cultural highlights, vibrant, intimate, and truly unforgettable. For football lovers, step into the home of Real Madrid with the Santiago Bernabéu Stadium tour, a must-do for football fans. Walk through legendary halls, explore the trophy room filled with Champions League glory, and experience immersive exhibits that highlight the club's history. Visit the Players' Tunnel, see the pitch from VIP seats, and snap epic photos inside the stadium. Whether you're a die-hard supporter or just curious, this tour delivers an exciting behind-the-scenes look at one of the world's most iconic clubs. Finally, discover Madrid's flavor-packed Old Town on a tapas and food tour that brings the city's culinary soul to life. Wander through historic streets with a local guide as you stop at traditional taverns, cozy bars, and century-old eateries. Taste iconic bites like patatas bravas, jamón ibérico, tortilla española, and sizzling garlic shrimp. Along the way, learn the stories behind each dish and the neighborhoods that shaped them. It's the perfect mix of culture, food, and authentic Madrid vibes. Come hungry. Madrid is a city of culture, flavor, and non-stop energy. Which tour would you try first? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel guides around the world. And see you again soon.